Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best e-bikes of 2024. If you're looking for a sustainable and convenient way to commute or explore, these e-bikes offer the perfect blend of power, range, and comfort. We'll explore the standout features, design, and riding experience that make each of these e-bikes a top choice for riders of all levels. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, you'll find the perfect e-bike for your needs here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. ENGWE M20. The ENGWE M20 electric bike is designed for versatility, combining power, durability, and practicality. It features a 750W brushless motor with the capability to peak at 1000W, providing strong acceleration and the ability to conquer various terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. The bike is equipped with dual suspension, front hydraulic and rear spring, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on bumpy roads. The 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires enhance stability and grip, allowing you to ride confidently in diverse conditions, including sand, snow, and gravel. A standout feature of the M20 is its dual battery system, which offers an extended range of up to 75 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long commutes or outdoor adventures. The bike also includes a full-color LCD display that provides real-time information such as speed, battery level, and trip distance. Additional features like a bright LED headlight, a rear rack for carrying cargo, and multiple riding modes make the ENGWE M20 an excellent choice for riders seeking a reliable and versatile electric bike. Number 4. Milot Electric Bike. The Milot electric bike is a versatile and stylish option for both commuting and leisurely rides. It features a 750W brushless motor, providing strong acceleration and the ability to tackle hills with ease. The bike is equipped with a 48V15 removable lithium battery, offering a range of up to 38 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long-distance rides without frequent recharging. The bike's ergonomic design includes an adjustable seat and handlebars, ensuring a comfortable riding position for various heights. Its front and rear suspension systems absorb shocks from rough terrain, while the 26-inch fat tires provide excellent traction and stability on different surfaces. The bike is also fitted with a Shimano 7-speed gear system, allowing for smooth transitions between gears to suit different riding conditions. Additional features include an LCD display that shows speed, battery life, and distance traveled, as well as integrated LED headlights and taillights for enhanced visibility and safety. With its robust construction and modern features, the Milot electric bike is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and high-performance e-bike. Number 3. The Ehora Romeo Pro 2. The Ehora Romeo Pro 2 is an advanced electric bike designed for riders seeking a powerful and stylish mode of transportation. Equipped with a 750W motor, the Romeo Pro 2 delivers impressive acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. The bike is powered by a 48V20Ah lithium battery, providing a substantial range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. The Romeo Pro 2 features a robust aluminum alloy frame that ensures durability while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. It is equipped with 26-inch fat tires, offering excellent stability and traction across various surfaces, from city streets to rugged trails. The bike also includes a full suspension system with a front fork and rear shock absorbers, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. For added convenience, the bike comes with an LCD display that shows important information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled. The Ehora Romeo Pro 2 also includes hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, and it is designed with ergonomic handlebars and an adjustable seat for enhanced comfort. Number 2. Ridstar Q20 Electric Bike. The Ridstar Q20 electric bike is a versatile and compact e-bike designed for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. It features a 350W motor that allows for a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for quick city rides or leisurely trips on various terrains. The bike is powered by a removable 36V 10.4Ah lithium battery, offering a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and the level of pedal assist used. The Q20 stands out with its foldable design, which makes it easy to store in small spaces or transport in a car trunk. It's equipped with 20-inch fat tires, providing excellent stability and traction on both paved roads and off-road trails. The bike also includes a front suspension fork to absorb shocks, ensuring a smoother ride. The Ridstar Q20 is designed for comfort and convenience, featuring an adjustable seat and handlebars, as well as a bright LED headlight for night rides. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to handle, while the integrated LCD display allows you to monitor speed, battery life, and other key metrics. Number 1. Hover 1 Pro Series Altai R500. The Hover 1 Pro Series Altai R500 is a high-performance electric scooter tailored for riders who need power, durability, and convenience. It boasts a 500-watt motor capable of reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making it suitable for both urban commuting and leisurely rides. The scooter is powered by a long-lasting battery that provides up to 30 miles of range on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging. One of the standout features of the Altai R500 is its full suspension system, which ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. This, combined with 10-inch pneumatic tires, enhances shock absorption and stability. The scooter also features a clear LED display that shows speed, battery level, and other essential information at a glance. Designed with practicality in mind, the Altai R500 is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to carry and store. Safety is also a priority, with bright LED headlights and taillights, as well as a dual braking system for reliable stopping power. This scooter offers a balanced blend of power, range, and comfort. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.